เอากล้วยหนึ่งกล้วยหนึ่งขนมปังสองขนมปังสามเดี๋ยว
เอากล้วยหนึ่ง
กล้วยหนึ่งขนมปังสาม
โอ้รู้แล้วเดี๋ยวก่อน
ไปเที่ยวเลยเอาไหมแฝดเอาไหม
กินเถอะ
นี่ของโอได้แล้วเอากล้วยป่ะเปียติ๊บเอากล้วยป่ะ
พี่มีขอช้อนประมาณนึงไปละ
กล้วยเป็นสีกันมาแม่ร้านนี้ครับกินหมูกระทะเป็น120
Truckload of kids right beside me. Okay, guys, check it out. Coconut ice cream. Now, I do not like coconut at all, but coconut ice cream is really good. It's got peanuts, carnation milk, real coconut, and it's really good. Peanuts are toasted, yeah? They just put them in a hot pan, brown them up. Really good. And it's served in half a coconut. As you see, you can get it in hot dog style. The bread is terrible. Or you can get it in a cone. I don't know if the price is different on those or not. I only ever get it in a half a coconut because, well, that's pretty cool. The price is 30 baht for this one. The price has gone up on everything. Used to be 20. 30 baht, that's about $1 US. Conversion rate is in the toilet. This is really, really good. I do believe it's homemade ice cream. They make it themselves. I'm not 100% sure. We're here at the temple, Pertat Nadun, and very few people here. There's probably 10 vendors selling this today. It's a very popular item. Here's the coconut meat. This is a young green coconut, right? Oh, it's really good. Came to the market here. It's an old traditional market, or that's what it used to be. It's either today's a bad day, or it's just run its course. You know, it's really dead here. The vendors are not dressed. A couple years ago, everybody was wearing all traditional clothes. You know, stuff like from 100 years ago. I saw one lady dressed up today. That's it. Not what it used to be. I think it's just the tourist industry, even locally, is dead right now. It's really good ice cream though. If you ever get a chance, Thai coconut ice cream is really good. And get it in a half a coconut. Alright guys, there it is. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. They're free, you know. And if you're new, this would be a good time to subscribe before you leave. It's really good. Crazy good. Especially considering I don't like coconut. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a few more people coming now. That still won't make the market any better. It'll just make it busier. Pretty disappointing right now, that's for sure. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.